guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm running some errands, just in and out really quick of many stores, and I just decided to do a little quick get ready with me, just a light glam. So if you want to see how I got this look, just keep on watching. So excuse the bunny headband, I couldn't find my own makeup headband, so I had to use my daughter's headband because now that I have shorter hair, like there's layers that don't really like go into the clip, and then you see they come out. So this is like the best that we can do for right now. I just organized my makeup bag and now it's like dirty again. But anyway, we're gonna start with the NYX Studio Perfect Photo Loving Primer, and it's just like a clear, seems like clear primer. I really like this because it really does leave your skin so soft, and it just makes your makeup just looks so smooth. So you guys know that I love to use the MAC strobe cream. I usually use Pink Light, but today I'm gonna use Peach Light. This one is more on the warmer tone for me. This one is more on the pinkier, more lighter side. So we're just gonna use this one today. This weather is really not helping the girl. Like, it really is not. I'm trying to keep all of my my allergy medication handy, because the minute that I go outside or whatever, it's just, I'm all messed up. So I'm gonna take this NYX Conceal, Correct, and Contour Cream Palette, and I'm gonna use this color right here. Actually, I'm gonna use this color right here. It's more on the lighter side, and I just want to cover up a few blemishes that I have going on, and these dark spots under my eyes. I haven't been getting much sleep lately. I really don't know why, but I just can't fall asleep at night. So when I wake up, I look like I'm being punched in the face, or like I got punched in the face rather. So we have to get this clear. And it's really like just my under eyes and like this area right here. I'm just gonna put some on the bridge of my nose. I'm gonna take one of my favorite foundations, and this is the MAC Pro Long Wear Foundation, and this is in the color NC30. I didn't get a tan this year, so I don't have any darker foundations that I need to switch out of. We're just keeping the same one that we used all year round. Well, the same shades, I should say. The same damn shades. I was supposed to get a tan. I was supposed to be out here living my best life. But instead, I have to work to pay bills until I'm rich. Which, hopefully that comes soon. Because I'm trying to be traveling all over the world. As I'm pretty sure everybody is. Alright, so I'm gonna do my brows and I'll be right back. Damn, I can't believe that you did this to me. Now that our brows are done, I'm gonna go in with this e.l.f. palette, and I'm going to take the bronzing powder, this one right here, and I'm just gonna put some of that on my crease just to warm up my lid a little bit. Because we're gonna add a little bit of color, just a little bit. I don't wanna be out here looking crazy, but I just wanna add a little color, a little pop, you know? Just a tiny bit. All right, now that we warmed up the lids, I'm gonna go in with this palette, and this is I don't even know. I've had it for so long that it literally, the name just doesn't, it's not even here anymore. It says True Color Eyeshadow Quad. I don't remember where I got it from, and like it doesn't even say the brand, it just says True Color. Anyway, these are the colors, and I'm gonna take this one right here with a little fluffy brush, just a little bit, not too crazy. I'm just gonna put some of that on the lid. This is like a really nice purpley color. Purpley, that's one of my daughter's words, purpley. All right, so just a small amount. I still don't got my lashes on. It's Tuesday, I'm going Thursday, so bear with a bitch, bear with a bitch. I'm gonna curl my lashes, little baby lashes that I have left. I really can't wait to get my lashes done because I'm just so used to having them on. Like, I know you guys saw my other video and I was talking about my lashes, and I just don't feel the same without them. I feel like a less badder bitch, you know? Still a bad bitch, but I feel a little less badder. It's badder word. I don't even know. But you know, when you have lashes, like this whole curling and putting on mascara, it's just like the step that I don't have to do. So me getting ready in the morning, or just getting ready period, is easier or faster when I have my lashes on. Moving on. I'm going back to this cream palette, and I'm going to take this shade right here now. All right, so I'm gonna put the MAC Pro Longwear Concealer in the color NW25 on top of what I have on right now. Now I'm gonna take my beauty blender and the Mario Badescu facial spray. I'm gonna spray my beauty blender, and I'm gonna blend this out.
Hennessy on my lips, take a little sip, privacy on the door, I'ma make this shit weird.
So now that we are all blended, I'm going to take my Fenty Beauty stick in the color Suede, and I'm just gonna contour my face. And I'm gonna take my Real Techniques buffing brush, and I'm just gonna blend everything together. Okay, enough of that. Now that we've contoured, I'm gonna take my banana powder and I'm going to set where I highlighted. I always like to go in one more time with the beauty blender just to make sure that what I'm setting is flawless and I'm not setting anything, you know, with creases or whatever. So we just put that right there. I really like this powder because it doesn't give you any flashback when you are taking pictures with flash, obviously. It just makes everything look so flawless and seamless, and I just love it. So I'm gonna take my buffing brush again, and I'm gonna go back to the e.l.f. contour palette, and I'm gonna take the same color we used for our crease, just a little bit, And I'm just gonna go over what I cream contoured just to set that too in place. A lot really goes a long way with this little thing. Now I'm gonna take a Luxie 516 Duo fiber powder brush, and I'm just gonna dust off the banana powder off my face, because even though it doesn't give me any flashback, I don't want it to just like sit there, you know. Now I'm gonna take the NYX Illuminator blush, and this is in the color Chaotic. This has, I know it's a blush, but it has a little bit of shimmer to it, which I really like. And just a few taps of that on the apples of our cheeks. Not too much, not too much. I'm gonna go into my heat palette, and I'm going to take the color Low Blow, and I'm going to put that over our crease a little bit. Let me see if I get closer so maybe you guys can see. And I'm just mixing the colors together that I already had on. So for highlight, I'm gonna use the NYX Strobe of Genius Illuminator palette, and I'm going to take this purpley color, and I'm just gonna put some of that on our cheeks, just so it can like reflect off my eyes, and the purple in my eyes can pop a little bit more, if you will. The colors in this palette are really like vibrant. Like, I don't know if you guys can really see. I dropped it. But they're really vibrant and gorgeous. I really like them. So now I'm gonna take this one right here. It doesn't tell me the names of the highlights, which I wish that it did, so I can tell you exactly what I'm putting on my eyes. But I'm gonna take the Broken one, and I'm gonna put it right on the corner of my eye. Now for lips, y'all already know what I'm gonna use. At least I hope y'all know what I'm gonna use. So Strip Down from MAC. I'm just gonna line my lips, because until I find another lip liner that is good as this, I'm probably never gonna stop using it. For lip gloss, I'm gonna take this Rimmel London lipstick, and this is Stay Glossy. And doesn't say the shade. Yeah, it just says Stay Glossy by Rimmel London. So going back to this palette right here, I'm gonna take this purple, darker purple, and with an angle brush, I really just cannot speak today. I don't know what the fuck is wrong with me. With an angle brush, I'm gonna just put some of that on the bottom of my eye, on our lower lash line. I'm just gonna go in one more time with the mascara. I poked my eye. Oh, fuck. This is why I don't like not having lashes on. Jesus. Me and mascara just are not good friends sometimes, you know? Whatever. I'm gonna take the Mario Badescu. How do you say his name? Because I think I'm like butchering it. Badescu. Anyway, this, and I'm gonna spray it on my face. Woo! And of course, take a beauty blender and just pat everything together. And we're finished. All right, so I took the bunny ears off, and this is the final look. Just very simple, very like I'm just running errands in and out, nothing too crazy. Give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, share, and subscribe. excuse me, allergies. Just I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.